Hello everyone, welcome to 2026 Engineering Drawing and Design Studio Practicum in Module 3.2 Geometric Dimensioning and Tolerance. In this practical, we will study about how to provide dimensions and tolerance according to the engineering drawing rules. The objective for this module are students are able to use appropriate symbol and annotations in Autodesk Inventor 2026. Students are able to provide dimensions and tolerance for objects in 2 dimensions engineering drawing. And students are able to provide datum for object as tolerance symbol in 2 dimensions engineering drawing. In the previous module, we have studied essential drawing, how to create border, title blocks, breakouts, and projections on vegetable dicer in the form of engineering drawings. So, in this module, we will continue by providing information on dimensions, tolerance, and datums, according to the rules of engineering drawing on vegetable dicer. Now I will explain what dimension is. Dimensions or dimensioning is the process of annotating the size of an image. Dimensions can be length, width, height, depth, and so on. In this module, we will learn 6 types of dimensions. The first is general dimensions. This feature is further specified into 3 types, namely 1. Linear dimensions, 2. Radial dimensions, 3. Angular dimensions. This tool can be found on the Dimension tab as shown on the screen. Baseline dimensions. This feature automatically determines the dimensions between one origin point and the selected reference lines, displayed in a ranged manner at different levels from the closest to the furthest. Ordinate dimensions. This feature determines the position of a point by referring to the origin point marked with a value of 0.00 mm. Chain dimensions. This feature automatically determines the dimension between a number of selected points, displayed side by side or arranged at the same level or parallel. Arrange dimensions. This feature is used to arrange existing irregular dimensions into a baseline dimensions format. And the last dimension is retrieve model annotations dimensions. This feature automatically displays the dimensions at tolerance on an object. Next is datum. Datum is plane where the axis or point is referenced by tolerance and dimensions. The last is tolerance. Tolerance is a deviation in size from the basic size that is permitted or allowed, namely the upper deviations and lower deviations of an object in engineering drawing. Now we will go to the lab work session. First, the first step, open your Autodesk Inventor 2026. After that, go to Open and open your lab work folder. Choose this file and rename files to your identity. After that, open the file. And this is how look this file. After that, you must expand the sheet 1, expand title blocks, and double-click fill text. Complete your identity by choosing the desired property field and change the value. After that, click OK. Next is go to Manage tab and double-click Style Editor. Expand the dimensions. Use Devel ISO and change the value of linear precision to 0 and angular precision to 0. After that, click Save and Close. Okay, next, go to Annotate tab and click Dimension. In this view, select the outer part of semicircle, left-click, and drag the dimension out of the part. Left-click, and OK. In Annotate tab, click Change, left-click on all determine line and center mark from top to bottom, like this. 1, 2, 3. After that, right-click and click Continue. Drag the dimension to right side and then left-click. And the result should look like this. Okay, next to this view. In Annotate tab, click Dimension, left-click on the inner circle, drag the dimensions out of the part, left-click, in Edit Dimension text, add 2 times before the dimensions value. After that, click OK. Left-click on the outer circle, drag the dimension outside of the part. Left-click, and OK. After that, left-click on all determine line from top to bottom, like this. 1, 2. After that, drag the dimension to right side and left-click. Click OK. And this is the result. After that, we go to this view. Left-click on the fillet line in here. Drag the dimension to upper right. Left-click. In Edit Dimension text, add 4 times before the dimension value. After that, click OK. Left click on all determined line in order from top to bottom, like this. Drop the dimension to right side. And then left click. Okay, we go to precisions and tolerance tab. In tolerance method, choose deviations. After that, set the upper to 0.02 and the lower to 0.03. After all done, click OK. And this is the result. Okay, we back to this view again. Now we go to the symbol tabs. After that, click on extension. Choose the datum identifier symbol. Left click on determine line with midpoint in here. Drag to upper. After that, left click. Change the datum into A and click OK. After that, you can click escape on your keyboard. After that, left click on the point at the datum box in here and drag it to up middle like this. And the result should look like this. After that, in Noted tab, in symbol, click extension, select the feature control frame, and left click on determine line with midpoint in here, drag to upper left like this. After that, you can click left click, right click, and continue. You can expand the symbol, choose perpendicularity. After that, set the tolerance to 0.02 and set the datum to A. Click OK. And this is the result for this view. After that, we go to this view. Left click on determine midpoint in here. Drag the dimension to lower right. Left click, right click, and continue. Expand the symbol. Choose circularity. Set tolerance to 0.01 and remove value of datum. After that, click OK. The result should look like this. And you can click escape on your keyboard. This is the result for sheet 1. After that, we go to the next sheet. First, double click on sheet 2. And this is how it look for the sheet 2. Expand the sheet 2. expand title blocks, and double-click field text. Complete your identity by choosing the desired property field and change the value. After all done, click OK. In Note tab, click Dimensions and zoom this view. Left-click on all determined line in order from left to right. 1, 2, and drag the dimension to lower side. Left-click, click OK. After that, left-click on the circle. Drag the dimension to lower right. Left click. And we go to edit dimension text. After that, add 2 times before the dimension value to indicate the quantity. Click OK. After that, we click Change Dimension. Left click on all determined line and center mark from top to bottom, like this. 1, 2, and 3. After that, right click and continue. Drag the dimension to left side. Left click, and this is the result. After that, we go to this view. In Note tab, click Dimensions. After that, left click on the outside fillet line. Drag the dimension to upper right. And then left click. In Edit Dimension text, add 4 times to indicate the quantity. Click OK. Next is left click on the inner fillet line in here. Drag the dimension to upper right. Left click. In here, edit dimension text. Add 4 times to indicate the quantity. After that, click OK. Okay, next is click Chain. Left click on all determined line from left to right. In here, 1, 2, and 3. After that, right click and continue. Drag the dimension to bottom side. Left click. We click dimensions again. And left click on all determined line from left to right. In here, 1 and 2. After that, drag the dimension to bottom side. Left click, click OK. And this is the result for this view. Okay, we move to the next view. In Note tab, click Baseline. And left click on all determined line from top to bottom. 1, 2, and 3. Right click and continue. After that, drag the dimension to right side. left click. After that, click escape on your keyboard and left click on this dimension. Drag the dimension to right side. After that, double click on the mouse. We go to Precisions and Tolerance tab. In Tolerance method, choose Symmetric and set the upper to 0.01. After that, click OK. And the result should look like this. After that, we go to this view again. And in Symbol tab, click Extension. Choose Datum Identifier Symbol. And left click on the determine line in here. Drag it to upper side. After that, left click. Change the datum into A and click OK. After that, click Escape on your keyboard. Left click on the point at datum box. In here, drag it to up middle. The result should look like this. After that, in Symbol tab, we choose Datum Identifier Symbol again. Left click. After that, left click on the determine line with midpoint in here. Drag to right side. Left click. Change the datum into B. And click OK. Okay, in Noted tab, we go to Symbol, click Extension, and select Feature Control Frame. After that, left click on determine midpoint in here. And drag to upper right. You can left click, right click, and continue. After that, expand the symbol. Choose Position Symbol. Set tolerance to 0.02 and set the datum to A and B. After all done, click OK. And this is the result for this view. After that, we go to another view. Left click on determine line in here. Drag to top left. Left click, right click, and continue. Expand the symbol. Choose the flatness symbol. After that, set the tolerance to 0.03 and remove all value of datum. After that, click OK. And this is the result. Click Escape on your keyboard. Finally, This is the result for sheet 2. Okay, next is double click on sheet 3, and this is how look for sheet 3. On the last sheet, practicants are asked to complete it independently according to the guideline in the study case. After all finished, I will tell you how to convert all sheet into one PDF file. First, go to File, and then Export, and click PDF. After that, choose the folder you want to save, and don't forget rename your file with your identity. And click on Option. In Print Range, choose the All Sheets. In Setting, uncheck all of option. And in Vector Resolution, choose 1200 dpi. After that, click OK and save.